Have you ever wondered how Voyager 1 and 2 have lasted for over 40 years without maintenance? It's a fascinating question that takes us back to the late 70s. In 1977, a pair of space probes, Voyager 1 and 2, were launched with a grand mission to explore the outer realms of our solar system. Each probe, armed with its unique set of scientific instruments, embarked on a journey that would ultimately redefine our understanding of space. As they ventured into the unknown, they transmitted back to Earth a wealth of information about planets, moons, and the vast expanses of interstellar space. And here's the kicker. They've been doing this tirelessly for over 4 decades without any physical maintenance. That's right, no oil changes, no tire rotations, nothing. Just pure, uninterrupted science. These spacecraft have been sailing through space, sending us vital information without any pit stops for maintenance. Voyager 1 and 2's longevity is no accident but a feat of meticulous design and planning. These spacecraft are powered by a marvel of engineering known as radioisotope thermoelectric generators, or RTGs for short. These RTGs work by transforming the heat from decaying plutonium-238 into electricity. This is a process that continues to fuel the Voyager crafts, even after more than 4 decades of venturing into the dark abyss of space. But it's not just about power. The designers of the Voyager missions made sure to incorporate a concept known as redundancy. This means that for every critical system on board there's a backup ready to step in if the primary one fails. In addition, these spacecraft are equipped with fault protection software, a kind of automatic troubleshooter capable of detecting and recovering from anomalies. Beyond this, some components are just really well engineered, such as the magnetic tape data recorder. Unlike the hard drive or SSD in your computer, this device just keeps on running without issues. Just how the magnetic tape has survived so long is a mystery. Unfortunately, only this one photo survives of the device. From Jet Propulsion Labs, and so many details have been lost. Simplicity and the fact vintage computers are less sensitive to electrostatic discharge also no doubt added to the robustness. A message from our sponsor Survey Oasis paid surveys. Participate at your leisure. Visit surveyoasis.com for more information. So, how much longer can Voyager 1 and 2 keep going without maintenance? Well, the reality is that the power supply for these extraordinary spacecraft is gradually winding down. Despite this, they remain operational, continuing their epic journey into the unknown. The Voyager crafts are powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators, or RTGs, which convert heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. However, as the plutonium decays, the power supply diminishes. It's estimated that they'll be able to power their scientific instruments until about 2025. That's just 2 more years of data coming our way. But what happens then? Will the Voyagers simply stop? Not at all. After 2025, they'll continue their journey, silently coursing through the cosmos, no longer able to send back data, but still very much on their mission. Even when their voices fall silent, Voyager 1 and 2 will continue their journey, forever testament to our species' curiosity and ingenuity.